The suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi and 4 others are expected to appear in the Brakpan Magistrates Court this morning after their arrest in connection with the 2022 murder of Emmanuel Mbense. And this is the 4th time that Mkhwanazi has been arrested. Let's cross now to SABC News senior reporter Chriselda Lewis. Chriselda, good morning. So this story, of course, has been some time in the making since we heard that evidence from the now late witness D. Marius van der Merwe at the Madlanga Commission. And of course, it's not raining. It literally is pouring for Julius Mkhwanazi. This the 4th case for which he's been arrested. But talk to us about what we can expect today.
Well, that's right, Sakina. Of course, you would know that it was for the very first time that the family of Emmanuel Mbense had heard during that testimony by witness D, that was Marius van der Merwe, who was since assassinated, about the details of what's alleged to have happened to Emmanuel Mbense. So the details sort of became clear for the family, who've long been waiting for justice, about what's believed to have happened on that day. In an exclusive interview with SABC News last night, the family said that they believed that the wheels of justice were finally turning and basically welcomed the arrests of the suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi and 4 others. We understand that amongst the arrests that were made yesterday, including Julius Mkhwanazi, is Chriselda, who you would know is a former Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department official, who is also an accused in another matter with Julius Mkhwanazi relating to the 14 million rand precious stones robbery. This was in 2023 in Killarney, here in Johannesburg, as well as another accused in that matter who is an Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department official, Adrian Mackenzie. So Julius Mkhwanazi is expected to appear in this court here behind me, together with those 2, a SABC official and I understand a civilian. So they'll be facing charges of murder and defeating the ends of justice. You would know, of course, as you indicated, it's not raining, but it's pouring for Julius Mkhwanazi. This is his 4th arrest. The 2 relate to SABC arrests relating to issues at the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, and the other 2 were affected by the Independent Police Investigative Directorate relating to that precious stones robbery, and now this particular matter that is appearing for relating to his alleged involvement in the murder and the dumping of the body of Emmanuel Mbense. You would know, of course, that the details of that witness D basically telling the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry that it was on the instruction of Julius Mkhwanazi that the body of Emmanuel Mbense be dumped into that dam. And we understand that if there is a bail application which is likely to be brought here at this court this morning, the Independent Police Investigative Directorate, which is responsible for the arrest of Julius Mkhwanazi and these 4 others yesterday, they're likely to oppose that bail application. So we'll bring you all those proceedings live here on SABC News. The Mbense family is also expected to be here at the Brakpan Magistrates Court. But of course, if our viewers also want to get a glimpse of that exclusive interview, the first time that they spoke out since the 2022 murder of Emmanuel Mbense, last night telling SABC News that they're relieved at these arrests and they feel that the wheels of justice are turning. We'll have these proceedings live on SABC News, on the SABC YouTube page, as well as SABC Plus.
That's right, Chriselda, sabcnews.com. And as Chriselda indicates, you can go on to our various platforms, the YouTube page, or to our Plus app, and that exclusive interview with the Mbense family, which was done by Chriselda, is available there.